Hi guys, VLOOKUP is Excel's most powerful lookup function, and we use this function to get some corresponding value from another value. If our data is organized into vertical columns, then we can use this function. Let's understand this function by having an example. Let's get started. First I have to enter an equal sign here, and then I have to write VLOOKUP and then have to open the bracket. Now you can see there are 4 arguments for this function. The first one is the lookup value. Lookup value is the value which we are trying to locate in the first column of the table. In our example, I want to find out the result for Meenakshi, so I'll write here in double quotes Meenakshi, and then the second argument for this function is the table array. Table array is the table data where we have our first column in which we need to find out our first parameter, and the column from where we have to get the corresponding value. In our case, this is the data range, this is the data table, that is from A1 to H12, in which we have to find out our hopeful result. Then I have to insert a comma here, and then the third argument is the column index number. Column index number is the position of the column in the table from where we have to get the corresponding value. In our case, I have to get the result for the student, so in our case the column number is 8. How we count? This is the number 1, column number 1, column number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then H is the column number 8. So I have to write 8 here and then comma, and the last argument for this function is the range lookup. In range lookup, either we can specify true here or false. In our case, I'll write here false for exact match, as I have to find out the exact match. We use true there when we have to find out an approximate match or nearest match, but unless we don't have any requirement like that, I will suggest you to use every time the false option here. And then we have to close the bracket and then enter. As I enter, I got passed. As we can see in our data, Meenakshi is passed, right? So we got the result by implementing the VLOOKUP function here. Now if I change Meenakshi to Mohit, in double quotes I have to write Mohit, please note this thing, and then I have to enter again. Now I can get the result, Mohit is passed. We have to verify the result. Yes, he is passed. Now if I want to check out the result for Ankur, which he has compartment in 2 subjects, in business studies and math, so to get this I have to change the parameter, the first parameter, which is the lookup value. I have to write here Ankur, which I am trying to locate in the table array. So I have to change this value here, Ankur, and then as I enter, I got the result as compartment. You can see that every time when I have to get result for another student, I have to edit the function and change the value here. Instead of changing the value every time, what we can do, we can just specify here cell reference to the cell where we will be writing the student's name. So in my case I am selecting this cell C14 and then enter. Now I have to specify a name here, like if I specify Chanchal here, I will get the result for Chanchal. Let's see what is the issue, why I am not getting the result. I have specified C14, that's right, and then A1 to H12, that's also right, then 8th column and false. The result, I should get the result, and I got this. Chanchal is failed, right? If I verify the return value of the function, that is right, Chanchal is failed. Now if I have to get the result for Suresh or Komal, so I have to just write here Komal. I don't have to edit the function, and I can see that I will get the updated value for Komal, and that is compartment, right? So we can use VLOOKUP function in this way as well, and VLOOKUP is most powerful function of the Excel. Thank you so much, guys. If you have any doubt, you can just comment for this, and I will surely help you for this. And please like, share and subscribe my channel so that I can get motivated and provide you more videos related to MS Excel. Thank you so much.